Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Magento 2. Today we are going to learn about how to set the maximum quantity allowed in shopping cart in Magento 2. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. First of all, go to the stores, configuration, then you have to go to the catalog, then go to the inventory, then we have a stock options on product stock options, right? So here we have the minimum quantity allowed in the shopping cart. You can enable it. Minimum quantity, if you want to add for the all groups, make it here. And the maximum quantity allowed in the shopping cart would be 3. You can set it on behalf of it. So by default, minimum quantity should be 1. If it is not there, minimum quantity make it 2. Right? Save this configuration and let's check these settings into our front end. Go to the checkout, home, go to our view edit cart. Fewest you may have purchased is 2, right? You can see that now it says that the minimum quantity should be 2 and maximum quantity should be 3. So this will give you that here you can set that the minimum quantity and the maximum quantity that you can add into our product. Okay, so if I go and just add the like 5 products over here, what happens? Update shopping cart, and it says that maximum quantity is 3. Okay, so I can just purchase the 3 quantity, update the shopping cart. Now see, there is no error. So maximum quantity you can purchase is 3 and the minimum quantity is 2. So this is how you can configure the minimum order or maximum order of the cart in Magento 2. Any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.